Hey everybody, it's Josh and Charlotte here, and I'm just here. Want to do a quick video today to talk about one of my favorite products here on Amazon. I'm a type 2 diabetic, so I use these Dexcom G7s to monitor my blood sugar, I should say, and had a lot of problems with them coming off and falling off and that kind of thing. This thing right here, this is called the Skin Grip, and they come in many different shapes and colors and things like that. These things are a lifesaver. So let me show you how this works pretty easily. I've been using these Skin Grips for quite some time, and they're really a fantastic product. It's going to take me just a minute to get my new sensor set up here, so bear with me. And now it's telling me to put the sensor on. I check, make sure that the needle is straight. That way we don't have a horseshoe or a bend or anything like that. Sometimes G7s do that. And I've already taken care of my arm as far as the preparation goes. So I'm just going to push the trigger and put the sensor on my arm. 3, 2, 1.
Fine.
That one's stung just a little bit. They do occasionally. But I'm going to wait for I'm going to tell my phone here that the sensor has been inserted. I'm going to push on it just a little bit and wait for my phone to recognize the sensor. And there it goes. It's telling me to pair it. So we're good to go. This video is not about Dexcom. It's not sponsored by Dexcom. If you are interested in the Dexcom, please talk to your medical provider. They are more qualified than I am to tell you whether or not the Dexcom G7 is a great product for you. All right, so Charlotte, I can't reach around my arm and that kind of stuff, so it's hard for me to put the sticker on myself. So I recommend if you're going to use this, have somebody put the sticker on for you. It makes it a lot easier. Go ahead, Charlotte.
Okay, so it makes it easier because there's 5 stickers. There's 1 in the middle, and 2 on the bottom, and 2 on the top.
So you put that a little closer to the camera there so they can see it.
So you can see how there's 4, and you can see the lines in the spots. So you can just peel it off.
Yep.
And there's just 1.
Yep. So she's going to put this on my arm. Now, you can, like I said, there are many different colors and patterns. You can, I think they have a checkered pattern. They have skin tones. I just choose my natural skin tone. They have black, they have white, they have yellow, green, red, blue, orange, all that good stuff. All that's available right here on Amazon. These stickers are fantastic. Very seldomly have any trouble out of them. Matter of fact, I really don't have any trouble out of them except for one time. If you put your Dexcom sensor on in the evening, don't take a shower that night. I feel like it takes a day or so for these Skin Grips to really grab hold of your skin. So give it a day or at least a few hours before you take a shower. Are you already done?
Yeah.
Wow, that was quick. So there you go, guys. And see, with this particular skin tone, it just matches my skin perfectly. These things work fantastically. They should keep the Dexcom sensor on your arm all the way through the 10 days that you're supposed to wear it. So guys, I recommend this product very thoroughly. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.